Oh, girl, you.
I'm just ready to eat, nigga. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a day video. Y'all, we finally. Alright, fool. Come on, we finally got this. We finally got the chicken sandwich. Like, oh! And what we got to drink is some Sonic drink. It's Sonic slush. It's Sonic slush. She got blue raspberry and I got raspberry. Alright, what we finna do is get the smashing on y'all. We finna see what's the hype about, cause I mean, it's just a chicken sandwich, right? It's just chicken, just chicken on bread. Got little pickles on it, so like. They said something about the little pickles. Who was that? Man. Okay. We sure just threw all the bags. Okay, I want to try my pickles first. Okay, this is what the sandwich look like. Them are big. They just threw this shit on here. I mean, they just threw it on here like. Y'all, this girl. These not pickles, these cucumbers. Okay, this what's wrong with it. It's not pickles, it's cucumbers. I don't even eat cucumbers, first off. They good. They spicy too, I just taste it. They trying to kill her. Okay, this is literally just a breast on bread. Right, like a chicken. Like a chicken. You want to take a bite at the same time? Why don't you just eat it? Mine bigger than yours. Okay, one. They smush my bread and shit. Y'all scared. Come on, one. Wait. Because if it's nasty, I'm gonna be mad. Because if it's like a regular chicken, I'm gonna be mad. One. I like Popeyes chicken. 2, 3. Y'all bro, let's take a bite, food. Alright, food. Okay, hold on, wait. We're about to eat it. Popeyes. Okay, one. Hold on, I can't stop. It's just food. Why is we acting like? Okay, hold on. Trying to stop that. Okay. Okay, food. 1, 2. This so sick. No. Maybe it's the pickles. You need that. He don't like it. I'm gonna give me another one. Cool. I should go get my $5 back. It really ain't. Like, I'm trying to see you. Kid. Oh, God. Y'all be on me. Y'all get this shit. Y'all gonna be wasting y'all time. No, y'all ain't. It's hidden. She said she won't tell y'all the truth. I'm telling the truth. This is hidden. What you talking about? I want my money back. I can get it. No! Hey. I just got a hint in the little sauce. We're about to eat it. I thought this whole gonna be like. This mud is busting to me. Y'all making us, bro. Trying to tell y'all. Y'all making it sound like. It's straight. Give me that. It's straight. It ain't like. I mean, I guess it's like. You look like chicken. I'm just a hater. I get what you is. Are you lying to these folks? No, this sounds good. I don't know if it's the pickles. I took the pickles off though. Can I get it? Chelsea, don't do that. Don't touch nobody's food.
I didn't
You
even
don't do that.
Hold on, you got my video.
I might get it hold of my mama.
So you don't like it for real? So you disappointed?
Yeah, I'm disappointed, bro. All this stuff, they been.
Y'all, before the video, she was
Y'all be sold out every day. Y'all know how long we waiting for these? And I'm disappointed in y'all. Throw this at y'all face, bro.
Let me get it.
How you know I don't want to give it to one of my siblings?
One of your siblings, you only got one in here.
My mama.
That's not your sibling.
Alright, bro. I thought, let me taste the bread. That hold him.
Girl.
The bread
Let
good.
me taste the bread.
I eat the bread if I eat chicken. I ain't gonna lie to you.
The bread tastes the same. It's like regular bread.
On my dad's grave. Y'all gonna be wasting y'all time food. This $5 thing.
It's
that be
$4.
$5. What my dollar?
It's like $4.99.
Look, y'all gonna be wasting y'all. I thought, man, it's hype. Y'all in the car finna kill y'allself with this mud. We having fights for this mud.
It's fine. I don't know what she's talking about.
I'm disappointed.
I'm gonna give me another one.
Maybe I ain't cook it right.
Maybe yours is nasty. Maybe my. You wanna switch? Take a bite out of mine.
Yeah, I already ate all of it.
Oh. I'm just trying to see, because maybe it's just your sandwich, because mine over here fine. It's still nasty.
The whole thing fool. Taste like cucumbers in.
Y'all, before this video, she was so hyped to try. She was rushing me.
Yeah, I was hyped to cook food. Look, all these videos on. This mud's supposed to be good. Like, I'll switch it up. This hoe ain't even handy.
I don't know what this mug is talking about. It's so hit.
The chicken, okay. The chicken, they like chicken shrimp. Yeah, the whole thing tastes like a cucumber with spicy on it. Spicy cucumbers. She over here in the pickles and stuff.
I'm eating all of it.
I'm getting this with my mom. I'm gonna say, Mama, what's the hype about? Taste it.
She gonna say,
If you
this mug hit.
I know everyone, but I ain't gonna ask him. I'm asking my mama first. Like, he gonna eat it.
Regardless.
Regardless of the fact.
Because it's not nasty, they just hyped it up too much, that's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm hyping it up too, it's fine.
Before I eat this sandwich, I eat the bread and get Chelsea the chicken.
Hand it here.
I ain't say I actually gonna do it. I said I would do it. He done, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with the sandwich, but
You were disappointed, that's all.
yeah, I thought y'all were better. Like,
It's fine to me, you know what's here. Why is she coming out?
they gonna get the whole sandwich mine.
If the sandwich was nasty, I'm gonna tell them. The sandwich not nasty. What the fuck? Ooh, this sandwich nasty. This sandwich is really nasty.
Then the cucumbers, it threw it off.
No, we did.
Man, you got probably different taste buds.
Maybe your sandwich is not, maybe not right.
No, first off, I don't eat certain stuff. I'm very picky with my food. If it ain't, like when I smelled it just didn't smell right. Usually when I smell stuff, I don't even like to eat it. Like hot dogs, don't eat them. On my daddy's grave, I don't eat hot dogs.
I didn't even come out here. I'm talking about what you talking about. You didn't even smell the damn sandwich.
I smelled it before we even used it. Open that door, you heard.
And then you walked in here, and I walked, he said, Chelsea, hurry up, I'm ready to taste it.
I was ready to taste it until I tasted it. Now I'm disappointed in it. I'm disappointed.
I'm disappointed in it.
You foolish. You foolish, boo-boo. Let me stop coughing up there for mama.
This mug is spicy. I got down to the gritty.
Y'all, that mother don't even like all that. She even ate the whole thing.
I ain't ate the whole thing yet. Hold on.
Yeah.
Tastes like suds. Dishwasher liquor type stuff.
Yeah, let me call. I'm finna call my auntie. I'm finna tell her about this sandwich, cause she been waiting on this sandwich for so long. I tell y'all, she don't even stay down here, but every time she come down here, she go to Popeyes. This is the sandwich here.
I'm gonna tell you it's good, cause it's good. Y'all only lying to y'all.
I ain't lying to y'all. I won't lie to y'all. This tastes right. Y'all really disappointed me on it. Like, how could y'all? Why would y'all lie to me like that? And you study lying to them.
The sandwich good. What I got love for? You can't mad because the sandwich good. You gonna tell me I'm lying because the sandwich good? If I would say it's nasty, you would have been telling you like, hooray, hoorah. It's good.
Hello? Monique.
Yeah.
So I just got the chicken sandwich.
And it's fire.
Shut up, bro. This my auntie. Let me talk to my auntie.
Okay, girl, you have to do it because you was not just acting
okay,
like this.
Listen, I just tasted the chicken sandwich. We just went to Popeyes. Mate, no, all the hype is for nothing.
Man, that sandwich is fire, man.
Chelsea saying it's fire. You hear me?
Yeah, what?
All the hype is for nothing. That mud ain't even good. No, then look, they
It's
said
fire,
listen,
man.
Chelsea saying it's it's fire, but them mud they saying it's pickles on there. It's cucumbers, like spicy cucumbers on that mud. That mud, the only thing
No,
good
it's not
on
spicy when you get it's original, then it's spicy.
the only thing that's good on there is the sweet bread. So God,
No, the whole man, that sandwich is busting.
you gonna waste your money, Monique?
No, she not.
Yeah.
No.
Huh?
I need to keep myself up.
Right.
I know. I can't wait till you.
It's the hype. It's the hype. I got to see the hype.
I swear to God, Monique. I swear to God, when she came here, did chicken sandwich. I was,
Yana was too happy.
I was happy. I was like, man, I'm trying to see what the hype about. They like, man, they hype. They too hype. So we get the bite in the burger. I'm like, what the world? Where the hype at? Dang, all these people. Oh God. All these people making these, they excited about it, and this mud not even good. She excited too, but it's not good.
That mud was fire. I don't know what she talking about.
And you know I'm very picky with food.
And she didn't even eat the whole sandwich.
I didn't even eat it. I ate a little 2 bites. I got 2 bites of it.
That sandwich was fire.
I'm gonna give it to my mama.
And she gonna say that motherfucker. I can't wait to get her reaction.
Huh?
Where you at?
I'm at home. Yeah.
How much was the sandwich?
Like 4 some.
I got 2 of them for $8.62. Something like that.
Yeah. Them was not even that good.
How many times you gonna say it?
They're not even. I mean, it's like it tastes like it's chicken, a big old breast on some sweet patties with some cucumbers, spicy cucumbers. That mud ain't even all that.
That's really what it is, but it will fine to put together though.
But I just called you to tell you about it.
Just think about this. How did they run out of chicken sandwiches and then run out of chicken? Because all they doing is slapping the breast on a piece of bread. How did
That's what I told you. They finesse on
how is y'all running out of sandwiches, but y'all are not running out of the chicken that y'all giving out every day? Y'all never run out of chicken,
This
but y'all running out of sandwiches.
I thought y'all love that chicken to Popeyes. I hate that fucking chicken sandwich. Alright, Money, I just called to tell you about the chicken sandwich. We doing a YouTube video. But y'all, it was good. Okay. Now you running out.
Thinking out loud, help me please. Okay, so this will conclude the video.
How long the video had to be?
It didn't have to be a pussy vixen.
I was trying to make it long.
Bitches 16 minutes.
This chicken sandwich turn her. You always do that. After everything she eat, y'all swear to God, she get live. She be like, hey, hey.
Come on,
hey,
hood, baby G, yeah, hood, baby G, yeah, hood, baby G, yeah, hood, baby G, yeah, hood, baby G. I don't know how to do it, but keep going.
Hold on, wait, let me do it. Let me put on a song. Let me put on Dust in my head.
Here you go.